Welcome back. I'm actually in my storage tent right now. I've got the wood stove going. It's nice and cozy in here. Got kicked out of my cabin. Stupid flies. Probably within a half an hour of lighting the wood stove, they all started coming out of the walls. So I threw a couple of mosquito coils on top of the wood stove, trying to smoke them out that way. Actually covered up my stovepipe. Got the wood stove blazing. It's really smoky in there now, so we'll see what happens. If all else fails, I can always stay overnight in my storage tent. You know, I have the wood stove in here for a backup if I have to make a bed. I'd rather sleep with mice than flies. It's difficult to describe the feeling of waking up in a warm cabin with a crackling fire going in the wood stove, while wet snow gently taps on the roof, and muffled sounds of squirrels and chickadees in the distance. With another season at the cabin coming to an end, I spend the morning relaxing and watching the snow fall through the window. Good morning. I didn't really have the greatest sleep last night. I had a few flies buzzing around, bugging me, but I haven't got a lot done so far today. This might be my last trip to the cabin. Mosquitoes are going to be out pretty soon. And it's just not that enjoyable out here during the summer. I take my time splitting firewood and kindling. We'll have all summer to dry in the cabin and we'll be ready to burn next winter. I wash the dishes, put everything back in its place, and sweep the floor one last time. I slowly pack up and look over the cabin to make sure nothing is left behind. I secure the door and make the long trek back to be picked up. Don't forget to check out my cabin playlist on my channel where you can see this cabin being built and watch all my past adventures.